Hi, my name is Charles Tran with Live Mobile Technology. In part 1, I detailed the planning phase and provided the necessary measurements. In part 2, I walked you through the step-by-step process of installing the Sony VPL-XW5000 Laser Projector. Now in part 3, I will focus on explaining how to calibrate the Sony VPL-XW5000 Laser Projector and program the Denon AVR-S970H. Let's get started. Plug the HDMI cable from the Sony projector into the Denon AVR. Once connected, the AV receiver setup assistant will appear on the screen. Simply select your preferred language, then click Next to proceed to the speaker setup. The system will restart and you can now access the setup menu, including audio, video, inputs, speakers, network, HEOS account, general, and the setup assistant menu. Everything is set to the default settings, and it's up to you to make changes based on your preferences. Next, update the system. This will ensure optimal performance, compatibility, security, and access to the latest features and improvements. Next, switch the projector to PlayStation mode and thoroughly test the setup to ensure that all features and functions are working correctly. This includes verifying the display quality, checking audio output, and confirming smooth gameplay performance. To enhance visual clarity, you can adjust the projector's distance and focus on the screen by using the adjustment rings, the front ring primarily for focus and the back ring for zoom. If you like my videos and find them helpful, please support my channel by clicking on the like button and subscribe button. Your support means a lot and helps me create more engaging content like this. Let's adjust the projector's horizontal and vertical positions to ensure optimal visibility on the screen.
Okay, so this here is going to be your horizontal adjustment. So you loosen this so you can move this back and forth so you can see that more of a line straight. If it's now, this is called a tilting, and that's what we're using from here. Yes. Right. This is the tilting part of it right here. And then so that's the tilt. And then this side is your, this is like up and down, vertical. But the vertical is perfect. The vertical is adjusted by this guy right here. There it is. That's your, and it has to be, again, this has to be level 100%. But the part we can do is tilt a little bit, left and right, right here. Left, right, tilt.
Lastly, use the Harmony Elite Universal Remote, which simplifies control of home entertainment and smart devices through customizable activities, a touchscreen, app and voice assistant integration, and hub-based operation for seamless management. Details on how to use it will be covered in a separate video. And that's how the Sony Laser Projector and Denon AVR work together to create an incredible home theater experience. If you missed part 1 and part 2 of this video, I'll include the links below. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my content. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to respond. Thanks for watching.